Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So, I'm gonna get started on my kitchen project, and this is the slab that I got from my Uncle Dan. He's got a little sawmill, and he sawed this board up, and it's got the nice live edge on it. What I want to do is I want to square this up, and it's not the exact dimensions of my building, so I think I'm gonna have to add a little on one end and the back side, but I want to sand it down and plane it, sand it, and have this as my countertop. Okay, now I got that straightened out on the back there. I'm gonna come in here and I'm gonna measure, and I'm gonna cut the cord around where the inch and a half countertop. Okay, so I attached the extension on so I could get the right length. I got this from my uncle for free, like I mentioned before, so we're just gonna make things work. Alright, got that rough surface off, that first coat of, I don't know, but we got it down to the white, and this will be nice when I sand it and then I stain it. It'll look beautiful. Here I am hitting the countertop with a belt sander. Then I'll be coming back with a high grit orbital sand for a smooth finish before stain and poly is applied. I don't know about on the front. I might just have to see, it's got these little pricker, little poker out things. They hurt your hands, so I don't know what I'll do with them. It'd be nice to kind of keep part of the bark on it, so I might try to hit them off somehow, scrape off all them thorns. Alrighty, so we're gonna try this in place now. See how well we cut it. See if it fits right where it's supposed to go. I wanted it flush to the bottom of the windowsill. Okay, so it fits awesome. So now I have a cleat that we made for both ends, and I'm going to get this nice and level, and then I'm going to put the cleat across, make a mark, and then I'm going to screw my cleat on. I put them little fern strips underneath, and they'll support the sides, and it's actually pretty awesome, nice and tight around the back. It's nice and tight to the bottom of my sill. The countertop is just sitting on this right now, just to show you guys. I'm going to remove it, sand it, some more. I had a lot of sanding to do, but I got all of them little thorns out using actually a little flathead screwdriver and just scraped them off. And other than that, sand the top a little more probably in some areas. And then I did a just a tad bit of wood putty, but I'm gonna sand that down as well so it's nice and smooth across here. All right, good morning. Next day here, I got the live edge out here. I lightly sanded it, got it propped up in the air here. Now watch the difference after I put a coat of poly on it, and it should turn a little more yellow and it'll look awesome. All right, so what I'm gonna do is probably 2 coats, and then I'm gonna sand. The directions say to sand in between coats, but I just want to show you how nice this look. Watch the grain pop. Let's get some on here. Alright, the first coat is done. What do you guys think of that? I think that made it really pop. I'm gonna do probably 3 coats, honestly, and then I want to build a thick layer of this up because wood's very dry and it'll suck it up. So yeah, I think it looks beautiful. So I'm gonna let this dry, and then I might sand it a little bit and then do another coat, sand it, do another coat. Okay, we're making some homemade brackets that I'm going to put on the bottom of my countertop, and bent this piece of steel, drilled a few holes in it. This is what we got. You know, Dad, he has everything, but this will look better than what's there, that's for sure. Here's the finished results. Let me know what you think. I think it turned out amazing.